Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, let's know how to delete a YouTube video or a content. And I'm going to show you how to delete from both phones and PCs. So, without wasting time, let's start this video. First of all, you need to connect to an internet or a Wi-Fi. And then straight go to Chrome. You can go to any browser. Search YouTube. There is nothing difficult tricks. It is easy. And if you have any doubt, please leave a comment. Here is the YouTube. Go to the first link. And go to the icon. Go to the profile. Go to YouTube Studio. And you will find content option. Go to there. And I'm going to delete the first one, the first video. Go to the three dots. And you will find in last, delete forever. Taking a break, I will show you the screen of a smartphone to know the same deletion. So, turn on the mobile data or Wi-Fi. And go to YT Studio. Here is my account. Go to the circle. Go to the three dots. There are some options. Go to the last one, delete. And click delete again. And done. Here you can delete the videos of YouTube channel from smartphone. Continuing the video, click delete forever. Now check the video that you are going to delete is correct or not. If the video is correct, then allow the given options and click delete forever. In few seconds, the video is deleted. And now we are done. So friends, if my video is helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.